hips. Hey there, welcome to my channel. My name is Janelle and I make vegan recipes that are easy, delicious, affordable, and are always gluten-free. Today, we're making not one, but two muffin recipes that are vegan, gluten-free, and refined sugar-free. Recipe number one, turmeric ginger banana muffins. These are not your average banana muffins, I'm telling you. They are delicious, a little sweet, a little spicy, a little warming. Chef's kiss. Muffin recipe number two, apple matcha zucchini muffins. That's right, if you are a matcha lover, pay attention. These muffins are green, they're gorgeous, and they are gosh darn delicious. But before we get right into those muffin recipes, I'm just gonna come out and say it like I always do. I would so appreciate you if you please subscribe to my channel. I am a newbie YouTuber and I'm trying to build my following and audience, and I would so appreciate your subscribership. Thank you in advance, and now that that's out of the way, let's make some delicious vegan gluten-free muffins. Using just 12 easy, delicious, and affordable pantry items, these turmeric ginger banana muffins come together in a pinch. Feel free to pause here and take note of the ingredients, or check out the full blog post in the video description below. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Either in a large mixing bowl or stand mixer, sift together and whisk the flour, baking soda and powder, xanthan gum, salt, and spices until well combined. A quick FYI for you, if you're wondering what the heck xanthan gum is, it's a plant-based ingredient often used in gluten-free baking. It acts as an emulsifier and a binder and adds volume to your gluten-free baked goods. You can get away without using it, but the end result might be a slightly more crumbly texture to your muffin. In a separate mixing bowl, add your ripe bananas and mash with a fork or potato masher until wet looking and shiny with just a few lumps remaining. When very ripe and with lots of brown spots on the peel, bananas add the best natural sweetness to baked goods. Add the flax egg, maple syrup, melted vegan butter or coconut oil, and vanilla extract, and mix until the texture is uniform. Add the wet ingredients to the dry, and using the paddle attachment for your mixer, or with a large wooden spoon, mix on the lowest speed until a light and fluffy batter begins to form. I somehow missed hitting the record button for that step. As soon as the batter begins forming, add in the chopped pecans, which I also didn't record. Just look at those fluffy golden peaks of deliciousness. Alrighty, next line a muffin tin with parchment cups or a little bit of oil and fill them up. You should have enough batter to fill 12 muffin cups easily. An optional but highly recommended tasty topping you can make in literally 30 seconds is half a cup of chopped pecans plus enough maple syrup just to coat. I also think any nut would be yummy here, or even candied ginger or mango could be amazing. Pop those in the oven on the middle rack and bake for 27 minutes at 350 degrees until the tops are golden and slightly crispy. Ta-da! Friends, there's literally nothing not to love about these turmeric ginger banana muffins. Crispy muffin tops with a tender, fluffy, and golden inside that bursts with sweet, fragrant spice. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding some additional chai-inspired spices like cardamom, cinnamon, nutmeg, or cloves for more warming, spiced goodness. I personally think any of those additions would taste incredible. This really is the perfect recipe to use up all those overripe bananas waiting to die on your counter. Delicately flavored with a hint of matcha green tea powder, these fluffy apple matcha zucchini muffins are a total breeze to whip up. First up, either in a food processor or with a box grater, shred the unpeeled green apples and zucchini on a medium-sized grate and set aside. Next up, the dry ingredients. Either in a large mixing bowl or stand mixer, sift together and whisk the flour, baking soda and powder, xanthan gum, salt, and matcha powder until well combined. Matcha is going to add such a lovely, subtly earthy flavor and delicate green hue to the batter. If there's any lumps of powder, just press them through the sieve with a spoon or spatula. In a separate mixing bowl, combine the applesauce, maple syrup, flax egg, and vanilla extract and mix until well combined. Then add in the shredded apple and zucchini into the wet ingredients and stir until thoroughly incorporated. The zucchini makes the muffins so light and fluffy and a little extra nutritious for, you know, the health. Using the paddle attachment for your mixer, or again with a large wooden spoon, again mix on the lowest speed until a light and fluffy batter begins to form, stopping to scrape the bottom and sides as you need to. Seriously though, the color and texture of that batter, so flipping pretty. Next, line those muffin cups again and fill them. You should have enough to fill 12 slightly overflowing muffins. I've got another optional topping for you, pretty similar to the last one. This time I used chopped walnuts and added cinnamon, plus a little maple syrup. Cinnamon tastes so good with matcha, by the way, so next time you're making yourself a hot matcha latte, do it. Pop those beauties in the oven and bake for 33 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. The cook time is a touch longer on these ones as the apple and zucchini add more moisture, so the extra time ensures the middle doesn't turn out gummy. Green with envy? These apple matcha zucchini muffins are light, so fluffy, and perfectly sweet with that gorgeous green hue. You just gotta love being able to combine delicious superfoods into your baked goods. Matcha is packed full of antioxidants and gives the body a gentle rise in energy without any jitters. If you love that good green stuff, run to your kitchen and make yourself a batch right now. I promise you will not regret it. Hi! So glad you made it to the end of this video. I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this recipe and if you're excited to go and try out some brand new vegan gluten-free muffins, I would so appreciate if you liked this video and also subscribe to my channel. Hitting that notifications bell also doesn't hurt, as it alerts you when I post brand new videos so that you never miss out. In case you didn't know, I am on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. You can also follow my blog where I post all of my full recipes at steamyvegankitchen.com. Thank you again for tuning in, and I definitely hope to see you virtually in a future recipe video. Bye for now!